Hold on, Kate, I gotta get my Red Bull. Red Bull, bud. So we're back over here at our customers. The rest of our pavers came in. So we continued the sidewalk from the mulch this way, and we're starting from the driveway up to the porch. Right now we're placing and setting as we go. Bus is going around. He's doing a little bit of touch-up work with the mulch. Then we're gonna hook up the lights. It should all be done today.
What's up, y'all? It's Woody. Day one of a new project we're doing here. I'll give you a little insight what we got going on here. We already cut down a Japanese maple. We're installing golden mops. They're lemon cypress mops. I'm gonna put some over here. We got 3 more going in right here. We got Mikey over here installing some ivy. We're going to be remulching these beds through here. They have a fence line that we're going to put river rock around and under. So I'll show you what we have. So here's their fence line. We're going to cut all the grass on both sides and under the fence, about 5 inches on each side. Lay fabric down, put some river rock down to give them a hard base or a hard pattern around their fence so grass won't grow. Hopefully we can get it all done. If not, rain.
Today we're building a series of 3 patios for Metro Drug Coalition. This is our upper patio, which we've started laying our base for. We've got an outside retaining wall because we had to fix our grade for fall so no water will sit on our patio once the pavers are in place. That line marks the top of our pavers. As we get around to here, we're going to have 2 step downs into this circle. It's an 18-foot diameter. That's going to be the same patio, which is going to have a swooping walkway through the center of it, which follows down to where these 2 steppers are going to be. Have 2 seating walls that wrap around both sides of the walkway, so people can have a place to sit and talk. Then that walkway is going to continue through the middle of this one, and going to also fall into which is our last 3rd patio, which is a 12-foot diameter. It's going to have 2 flagstone steppers which connect that. It's mimicking what would be a stream between the 3 flowing patios. And it continues to swoop all the way through, and then it'll die out here at the end, outside edge of our bottom patio here. And this patio will have 2 seats on either side so people can also sit down, talk, drink their coffee, enjoy their day in between their meetings. Yeah, and this is our project for Metro Drug Coalition.